Okay, guys, I am at my first art gallery premiere here in Hollywood. I am so nervous. I I absolutely adore this guy's work. It is phenomenal. And let's just take a look at it here together. Okay, very kind of abstract, but it's good. It's good. It's good. Kind of. Not my favorite. Oh, wow. That's Robbie. Right on. All those little robots. That is so cool. What's this? Oh, this is like his favorite stuffed toys. There's the Briar Rabbit and Stitch and Tigger. There's some other stuff. There's a bear, like the Snuggle Bear, and I don't know, some monkey thingy. I don't. Dude, that's really, really cool, though. It is. I have a lot of those favorite things myself. Is that Sally? I think that is Sally back there, too. Wow. That is amazing. All laid out there on the bed, ready for you. Oh, I do so love nude portraits. The butterfly and the leaves. The swan. Okay, now she's got a swan coming out of her ass, but to me, that's actually not that bad. She's staring out the window of some weird little grotto at a chicken. Okay. But I do love the colors and the lines. It's actually a really, really fun thing here. Marvel Independent. Gonna have to check that shit out. Ooh, hello there, Abe Lincoln. That's actually a really good sound, though. It looks like it is. I can't touch it, but wow. Okay. Well, that's got my attention. Okay. This is very, very modern, very Aztec-y as well. I'm definitely getting a death cult vibe here. I mean, but the face within the skull of flames is desolate of eyes, desolate of a soul. And the way that it's portrayed, where she is actually being eaten alive by the flaming soul, it's like it's eating her soul out of her body. Very good rendering of a corpse as well. I like it. Okay, let's see what else we've got. This is great. This is so great. Oh, I'm so glad you guys get to share this with me. Okay, let's see here. Oh, we have another picture over here. Oh, yes, hello. Wonderful use of color, lines. But once again, the eyes are desolate of a soul. She's trapped. I get the feeling she was drowned in this lake, this pond, bog. Yeah, that's bringing back some bad memories. But I do so love how the tiger is hidden in the foliage right there. Talk about your Lady and the Tiger. Choices and decisions. Okay, so let's move down here a little bit. Okay. Now, that is an interesting picture of Robin. No, that's not Robin Hood. That's Peter Pan, dude. That's Peter Pan with a red balloon. Dude, I wonder if Pennywise got Peter Pan. That would suck. Okay. Oh, we got something over here that definitely has my attention. Look at that. All of those famous 20th century stars movies. Oh, wow. In the comments below, let me know what you think about and who you see. I see Ronald Reagan. Oh, and the chick that played Cleopatra, Elizabeth Taylor. There's John Wayne. Star Wars, Marilyn Monroe. Oh, so many. This is phenomenal. I love this. Okay, let's go see what's over here. Ooh, that's definitely another Star Wars print. Kind of. Well, that's George Lucas, and there's Jaws and E.T. Mad Max. All right. I'm getting this. Spielberg and Williams collaboration. Absolutely. Okay, let's go see what's over here, and then we'll go check out the video in there. Let's see. Now let's just go check out the video. Oh, wow. I love watching air pressure lists. Oh, boy. I'm taken right on Back to the Future, Swamp Thing, The Mist. Oh, wow. Goonies. Lila Goes West, Indiana Jones. Muppets Treasure Island. Not really one of their better films, in my opinion. Hook. Definitely one of the better Robin Williams ones. The Flintstones? Okay. What is this one? So many things that could be. Fuck, I don't know. Ooh, but that one I do recognize. Harry Potter. Oh, the Toro. Right. Okay, and they're... Shut, these are going so fast. Back to the Future. Wild West one. Rendering? I love watching artists work. It's so inspiring. Right, this is him drawing shit. I can't really draw. I so admire people that do. Okay, I'm moving on. That is beautiful. That is truly, truly beautiful. Dark Tower. Excellent. I love the book and the movie, honestly. Harry Potter. And another Harry Potter. Star Wars. Okay, yeah, I admit it. I am a super geek. Okay. It's like you didn't already know that. This is like so right at me. Shit. Return of the Jedi. What is this? Oh, seriously? Hocus Pocus. Oh, love that. Sanderson sisters, you go girls. Okay, okay. Black Pearl? Excellent film, actually. Not bad if you're into pirate flicks, which I totally am. Okay, all right. Coming to America. Got it, got it. This one. Batteries not included, I think. Yeah, that's exactly what that is, man. That was a great film, too. Okay, let's check out. This shit is totally tight. Police Academy. I love that shit. Watching it makes me laugh even now. Okay. Big Trouble in Little China. Making it Drew Struzan's Back to the Future poster is one of the most iconic images in cinema history, but the journey to that final painting was a long and winding road. It started with director Robert Zimmer confessing to Drew that he was a longtime admirer of his work, that he was waiting until I made a movie good enough to ask you to do the poster. Oh my God, right? The original focus for marketing was the time travel aspect, featuring the 1950s. The ideas were roughed out as thumbnails on restaurant napkins during a lunch meeting. Drew turned those concepts into 10 pencil sketches, of which producer Steven Spielberg approved 7. Drew then refined those images into color comps to be presented to the studio. With the concept finally narrowed down, Drew awaited approval to start the final art process. Instead, he received a phone call stating that the Universal Studios had completely changed their minds and were going in a different direction. Disappointed, Drew hung up the phone, assuming he had lost the job. Shortly after, he learned that someone at Universal had come up with a new idea that everyone was thrilled about, and they wanted Drew to execute it. With all of the production time spent on exploring the original concepts, Drew had to work out the new designs as the final painting quickly. Both the film and the poster were a huge hit. Oh, yes, they were. And when the sequels were made, it would seem obvious that the Tipriarch of what we now know would have been the obvious choice. But the ride was much more of a roller coaster as the original. And this gallery takes you along that journey back to the future. Oh, goody, goody, goody. This is going to be fun. Okay. Okay, so this has got to be those 10 sketches that it was originally talking. Oh, wow. That is like the exact same sketch. Holy cow. That is really, really cool. Fuck yeah. Okay, so this one. It's just like a hand disappeared. So cool. Back to the Future. Okay, so that was the original one based on the 50s that they were talking about. Okay. Oh, look, dude, with the skulls and the hand, that is super, super fucking tight. Oh, right on. These are just so cool. Oh, wait. And the watch, too. So this one is Marty and Dr. Brown. And that's the DeLorean flying. Okay. That was super cool. I am so glad that you came along. So this is just so cool. Oh, wow. All right, guys. We've been in this museum here quite a while. And it's time to exit. But thank you so very much for coming with me and seeing all this amazing, amazing stuff. I'll catch you on the flip side. Got a portal.